In this section, we will review administration tasks, including security setup, user management, and the mobile application for QuickSight. We'll start with managing identity and access to QuickSight. Topics that we'll cover: QuickSight and IAM, provisioning users, and directory integration. QuickSight and IAM. Identity and Access Management, also known as IAM, is an AWS service that helps an administrator securely control access to AWS resources who can be authenticated and authorized to use Amazon QuickSight. This is how we do this. From IAM service, create a new policy. Then select QuickSight as a service. Select the actions you want to grant: list, or read, or write, or all of them. Then select the users or groups that you want this policy set for. Finally, review the policy and then apply. You can do this for multiple policies for QuickSight for the appropriate set of users. Here is a JSON representation of the IAM policy. This can be used to automate policy creation if needed. Now, let's look at provisioning users to QuickSight. QuickSight administrators can manage the account and provision users. Recommended practice is to first create an IAM policy for managing just the admins. Alternatively, you can set up self-provisioning for a set of users using IAM policy action. I will explain this using the table below. For each role, there is a corresponding IAM policy action, which you can see in the table, that can be used to automatically set up users with the appropriate access. Admins are the role that have maximum privileges, which includes manage the account, purchase spice capacity, and other admin activities. Author is the next level down of role, which can create data sources, data sets, analysis, and dashboards, and can also share. Read-only role is used for users who just need view access but cannot make changes or save. This way, you can create the appropriate permissions for the appropriate users automatically. You can also monitor users in the administration screen of QuickSight if you have the right access, using the Manage Users page as shown on the screen here. Here, you can also create new users if you wish through the wizard, or you can just use to manage the list of existing users. Directory integration. This service is specifically allowed for the Enterprise Edition of QuickSight, with which you can choose one of the options: AWS Directory Service, AWS Directory Service with AD connector, on-premise Active Directory with SS single sign-on, or SSO using AWS single sign-on service with another third-party federation service.